Welcome everyone to your Term 2 studies in the global future. This is a very interesting course in which you have enrolled, and it's very much a course about preferable, probable and possible futures. Its focus is on a way of thinking about the future and being able to scan the world, the nation and locally as to what are the factors that will impact upon the future for you personally, for your career, for your community as a whole. And as you move through the study in this course, it is hoped that you will engage heavily with a process called the PESTLE process, and that you will come to understand what each of the letters in PESTLE stands for. As you do this, you will begin, we hope, to read newspaper articles, read materials, journal articles, listen to the radio, listen to news reports. And as you do, that you will begin to analyse events that are happening around you at those three levels, community, nationally and globally. You will begin to evaluate them from a PESTLE viewpoint, thinking about how they're going to impact on your future and how you, by using these processes, you begin to plan your future. There are other strategies, many strategies that are used by futurists generally. One of these is not to be thought of as crystal ball gazing. So there are some people out there who see the type of thinking that we use in planning our futures as crystal ball gazing. Please be assured that that is not the case in this course. You are being asked to work with processes that are well grounded in collecting information, collecting data, on which you then make decisions about your future. So it is very much a data-based approach. And using tools like the Australian Bureau of Statistics, for example, or if you come from another country, the databases in those countries to think about how events will impact on the future. In 2011, in Australia, we've certainly had to think about how floods and storms are impacting upon our future and our infrastructure and how that is consuming financially some of the money that our governments have. How has that changed other plans that our government had for the future? So it's this kind of thinking in your assignments that you will be asked to do. In the first instance, you will be asked to look at your personal future and think about where you are from a personal perspective. In the second assessment task, you will be asked to view a company or a business, a non-profit organisation, some organisation with which you may be associated in some way, and begin to think about how well that company is planned for its future and thinking about its future. So they're your two assignments for this course. Hence, in this course, you will notice that there is not a huge emphasis on declarative knowledge or strict content, but there is a strong emphasis on thinking and how we think critically about information and data, and we think about possible, probable and preferable futures. So as you move through the activities in this course, we hope that you come to understand and learn new ways of thinking. The Moodle site on this course is set out with a study guide, so you're asked to read weekly from the study guide to give you direction as to what area you need to be studying. Then you move into some of the activities within the Moodle site that are relevant to that topic. There are a range of activities related to each topic. This is planned so that you, as the learner who has different learning styles from someone else, can choose some activities that suit you. Hence, it's not expected that you will participate or engage with all of the activities on the Moodle site. You will explore all of them, but you will choose the ones with which you're going to engage in depth because they have more meaning to you. So I thank you for enrolling in this course. I look forward to Illuminate sessions with you, and I'll give you more information on that in the weeks to come. I hope you enjoy this study, and as with students in the past, I also hope that this will be a course from which you will benefit in the long term. Many thanks and happy studying.